This problem is a capture race challenge for white. This is a great exercise for beginners and amateurs because instinctually you might think this is the move, but this is exactly the wrong move that the author wants you to find. If white plays here, then black can wedge here, and white will be dead. White cannot come in this way, and if white tries to connect on the first line, black can just play these Atari moves and cut, and now all of these white pieces will be captured. So this problem is all about overcoming this instinct to play at number 1. That's why these exercise problems are so important. And the correct move is right here on the first line, this diagonal move. It's a really great move. If black tries this move, white does not play this. This will go back to the previous variation. Instead, white can play this move, and there's no way black can cut white off. And black will all die this way. So black's strongest move is right here, preventing white from connecting. And now, white's sequence is really important. If white exhausts black's liberties from the outside at number 3, black can play this move, and white will fail. Because this is already an Atari, white plays on the outside, black can steal Atari. So white will fail if it plays at number 3. And number 4 is a very good move. Instead, white should push down here first. Black blocks. After this exchange, white can play this move. Now, black cannot connect here. Otherwise, all of these black stones will die. Black cannot come in here, and black cannot come in here. Black can only stand down here, but it will be 1 liberty short. Instead of number 6 connecting here, black can play this move. And now, the best white can do is to Atari from behind. This will be a connect and die. But black can capture number 1, allowing white to capture these 2 stones. And this is the optimal result for both sides. Now, of course, if black ignores the local situation, white can play this connect and die as a big endgame move. But depending on what's going on elsewhere on the board, black can choose to ignore this for the time being. Overall, the key takeaway here is this diagonal move on the first line. It is a really great move for capture race problems, and it is something that you should always calculate when you're playing real games. Also note that when your liberties are very tight, you should avoid playing this bending move because it is definitely going to fail. The next time you see a similar pattern, try to think about this diagonal move and see if it works. I hope you enjoyed this pattern, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.